Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and we're going to be doing a video. I'm going to actually combine all three of my subscription boxes together. I'm going to use all of them to get a look today. So we're going to kind of start off with, we're going to probably start off with my Boxy Charm because it comes with a primer. And we're kind of gonna move from there going on down. Now there are 3 lip colors, so I will swatch all 3 of those colors and then pick whichever one it is that I like best for the finished look. Now I kind of want to address something before I get started, so this will be a little bit of a longer intro. The reason that I have been kind of MIA, not done any videos like I've actually said I was going to, is because I actually had to have surgery. As you can see, I still have the little whatever butterfly stitch things on. I actually had to have my shoulder repaired. So I have been kind of recovering from that and whatnot. The other thing that I kind of want to address is I know a lot of smaller YouTubers are a little bit upset with the email that came out from YouTube saying that they are no longer going to partner with any of the smaller YouTubers. We're not going to be able to get any money, that kind of thing, because we are less than 1,000 subscribers and we don't have so many hours of views. So a lot of YouTubers are upset. A lot of them are actually saying they're quitting. I mean, yeah, it sucks that they're not gonna partner with us. However, I don't do it for the money. I do it because I love makeup. I love showing people how to do makeup, that kind of thing. So if they don't want to partner with me, they don't want to partner with me. I'm still going to do what I do. Maybe eventually my YouTube channel will grow to the point of where they will actually partner with me again. But until then, I'm just going to keep doing me. So, like I said, longest intro ever. But however, we're going to go ahead and we are going to get into this video and start going over everything that I've got in each one of them. My 3 subscriptions that I have are Boxy Charm, Ipsy, and Medusa's makeup. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start out with the Boxy Charm. This month's theme is Rock 2018. And it has quite a few items in it that I'm really excited about. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started. Like I said, we're going to start with the first thing that was in it is the Dr. Brant Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Now I have the original Pores No More from Dr. Brant, but I've not tried this Luminizer one. So we're going to see how well this one works out for us. So let me go ahead and we will get this put on the face. And as you can tell, my red skin is really coming out today. It feels very nice, almost like lotion in a way, or moisturizer. So we'll see how well it does when it comes to the pores, because I do have some pretty large pores right around in my cheek area, so we'll see how well that holds up for that. Alrighty, so let's see here. The next thing is the the price of the Pores No More Luminizer Primer is $38. So now we are going to go to the It Cosmetics brow powder. This is the Universal Eye Pencil. This retails for $24, and this is in, I think it's Universal Taupe. And basically, depending on the pressure that you use is the amount of payoff of the color that you get. So it does come with the spoolie, and it's just the, I don't know if you can see it here, but maybe, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm not going to use this one for the simple fact, I do have already in my collection one of them, so I know how well it works. So I won't use this one. I will actually put this one aside for maybe a backup, or maybe for my niece. And we will go ahead and we will address the elephant in the room here, my brows and what's going on with them. So I watched a video from Stephanie Lang where she was trying this new technique where she uses eyelash glue and she brushes her eyelashes up and it kind of glues them in place, and then she goes over with a brow pencil or brow pomade, whatever you want to use, and it gives a more natural looking brow. So we're going to try that today and we're going to see how well that works. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my Universal It Cosmetic, that's my old one, and we are going to go from there because I want to go ahead and I want to get my brows done first because I always do that before anything else. So we will just see how well this works out for us. I don't know, kind of just looks like glued down brows to me so far. Could be just I do it wrong, I don't know. I mean, I followed her instructions. It's not too hard on gluing your eyebrows down, but we shall see. I'm still trying to get a good color payoff. I'm used to the brow pomade. Maybe that's my problem. I don't know about you. That looks pretty awful. So give me just a moment. I'm gonna try to adjust this issue because it will take me forever and 2 days to try and get my brows the way I want them. So I will be back in a moment once I have this situation fixed, and then we will move on to the next item in the box. Alright, now that my eyebrows are super angry with me, I went ahead, I had to take that glue off because it was not happening. Like, my eyebrows were not happy. As you can tell, they're still a little bit on the angry side, but we did get them fixed here, and like I said, just depending on the pressure is the a matter of how dark that your brows will actually get. Lately I used the Ebony from Anastasia, the pomade, so I usually go with pretty dark brows if I'm not just coloring them with like blue eyeshadow or something like that to go with my hair. So, but I've always liked the cosmetic brow pencil. It works great. So let's see here. The next thing in our box is the GlamMetals from the Crown Pro. Now this eyeshadow palette retails for $25. Pretty fancy little guitar shaped mirror, and then I'm gonna get over here too, and those are the colors. They're pretty much all metallic except for the black metal. That looks like the only one that it is not. So you're definitely going to need more than just this palette to do a look with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my bronzer and my Wet n Wild contour palette to kind of do the whole base for my eyes. Now what I'm going to first start off with, I'm going to put on a little bit of concealer as my primer there. Nothing fancy about this. It's just the Nars, what is this one? The Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Gonna just use that as my eyeshadow base. So we have something for the shadow to stick to. Alright, so I got that down. So let's see here. Kind of looking at it. I think I'm gonna go with this bottom one here, which is kind of like a dark maroon looking